Oh, bilis, go! Oh, answer na, bilis! Answer. If a mass of 2 kilograms is converted entirely into energy, then C equals 3 times 10 is... Ang galing! Tama!
546,983 times 794. Oh, go, 95. Times 795. Go, what's the answer?
Oo nga, ano?
What's the answer? 546,983 times 795. Go, what's the answer?
Oh! Evaluate the integral of x over x squared plus 3 with respect to x. Go. Very good. Integral of 14x to the 6th power with respect to x. Galing! What's the answer? Evaluate the integral of 9x squared minus 4x to 60x. Very good. This craft travels 500 kilometers at a rate of 100 kilometers per hour. How long does the trip take? Galing! Times 98! Go! 78 times 98!
Oh, 78 times.
In computer animation, acceleration is the second derivative of position. LF equals S of T equals TQ. What is acceleration? Galing! A machine learning algorithm minimizes f of x equals x squared plus 2x. At what value of x the slope 0? Very good. $789 times 654.
Go, go, go.
Bilis na. 709 times 654. Go, what's the answer? Oh yeah, what's the answer? Galing. What's the answer? Go.
Don't.
Okay, okay, go. What's the answer? Go. Oh, what's the answer? A, B, or C? Which one? A, B, or C? Galing. Question. What is the cube root of 3,796,466? 150. What's the answer? Go.